Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down both devices and unplugging them to protect components. Once done, identify the 15-pin VGA ports on your PC and monitor and confirm which side is male or female. You should have the correct VGA cable and any adapter ready. Keep a screwdriver nearby if the monitor has a secured port cover. Make sure cables are straight, pins are not bent, and that you've cleared the workspace so you can connect without strain. You align the VGA cable so the 15 pins match the port. Insert it straight and avoid forcing it, because bent pins ruin connections. Once seated, tighten the thumb screws evenly until snug. If needed, finish with a quarter turn from a screwdriver to prevent loosening. If an adapter is used, plug the adapter into the computer first, then attach the VGA cable to the adapter and monitor. Make sure the cable follows a gentle path to avoid kinking and stress on the connector. You reconnect power and turn the monitor on before the PC so the monitor can detect the signal reliably. Then boot the computer and watch for picture. If the image looks off, open display settings and set the resolution and refresh rate to the monitor's native specs to avoid scaling artifacts. If you see no image, reseat the VGA cable and inspect pins for damage. Try a different VGA cable or port. If problems persist, test the monitor on another PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.